Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you step by step how to see all top gainers in KuCoin exchange. You could see top gainers both in mobile and a website. First, let's do the website one. You go to KuCoin.com. Once you go to KuCoin.com on the main website, you go down a little bit and you will see where it says top gainers. First, you will see where it says hot list, new coins, and top gainers. So you click where it says top gainers. Once you click, here is where you will see all the top gainers for the last 24 hours. As you can see, it will show you the last price, their percentage of the top gaining the last 24 hours, how much they increased in percentage, for example 40% or 100% or 50% or 30%, whatever the coin is, you will see it. And on the right hand side, you could see details. You could click details where it says and dig deeper on that coin or trade it if you want. So for the website, mainly it shows you the top 5 gainers for the last 24 hours. But if you go to the mobile, it's the same thing. You click your mobile, the app. Once you click and you come to the main page, you click where it says top gainers, and then you will see a list of all these the top gainers for the last 24 hours, as you can see. And once you click expand, you could see a further 5. So altogether you will see that the last top 10 gainers for the last 24 hours. And you could dig deeper, same as the website, and see the 24 hours percentage increase, detail of the coin, and how to trade it. You could trade if you want to, and that's how you check the top gainers in KuCoin exchange using both mobile and a website. I hope this tutorial helped, and if you find helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.